Where we at right now, bro?
Go see Ye, bro. We're gonna see the Vultures situation right now.
SoFi Stadium.
Asian Happy Hour, Bob Ross, Rolling Loud, 2024.
Let's go.
VIP Munchie roll call.
Okay.
You know,
Let's go.
it's no different.
Are we in? Are we in?
Come on, baby. Thanks to you. I don't know how you did that.
Let's go.
Bro, I follow you, boy. Hey, congrats on the boy.
Thank you, bro.
Congrats on the kid.
Appreciate that, man. It's amazing.
A lot of people. No fighting today, bro.
No fighting, just eating.
Just eating. Eating and yay. Running over. It's about to start. They got barbershop here?
In the endo, but that was me when I was burning CDs for my friends. So now I can't just take it on the chin like Jay Leno.
I wanna hear you please tell my life, tell my life, tell my life.
I'm just here to get paid. 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 Old stomach is the new ass. You can't afford you, that's too bad. Don't know what you gon' do with a do-rag. But the name, do you break down the face? These cash, you shake that ass. You got a front, just go with that. It's just a job, and that's a shame.
Don't try to test me, it's gonna get messy, it's gonna get messy, just blend.
Keep zoning, let's keep floating, let's keep moaning. Girl, I know that it ain't over. In the morning, you'll be running back to me. Heart was broken, I am frozen, now you're glowing. This is more than just a moment. In the morning, you'll be running.
This that shit that make bad niggas mad. Fucking the twins, I told her skinny was in, so she took out all the ass. Dipping at your breath, but the thing still moving, I had to knock it down. Busy where we at? Rolling some Milan, just turn the bird bitch to my ex like I was Elon. Got runners on the blue side, booty must have grew a size. Seen it from the front side, damn it must be two sides. God damn it must be two sides. 40s on the double R, I'm floating like a goose.
You, I'm late for work. My excuse, I pay for twerk. She prefer we play attention. Check off my name. When my campaign turned to campaign, I burned 8 billion to take off my chains. Burn, baby, burn.
might be the move.
That might be the move.
Yeah.
There's a burger joint.
There's a burger. Oh, let's get some burger too. That's the Eastie Boys Pizza Hut that we missed out on.
What's that?
That's the Zigzag Lounge, bro.
Yes. You can do it in 2 rounds.
Oh shit, you got both?
I got both, baby.
Let's go.
It was, what was like 7 songs max? It wasn't. Yeah. Try this right here. This lemon garlic wing. I had 2 already.
You got 2 already? All right, that's for me.
Have one now.
All right.
It's gonna be a messy bite. Boom. Bro,
The lemon.
I'm out of here.
Peace.
Always have happiness. How many do you need, bro?
It's at that instinct.
Stick.
Yeah, Rick got us escorted by security right now.
The whole squad, bro.
Top flight security. LA. Where are we going right now?
We're going to Rolling Loud. Wait, is this in Winelands?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to Rolling Loud. You already know. We sing Nicki tonight, so I'm pumped. We about to be barb, high heel on my titties. Or on my toes. Dolce and Gabbana, that's on my titties. Alright, we're going to see Nicki tonight.
We here. We here finally, damn.
Everybody know I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands in the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands in the concert. Nigga, I get it. Everybody knows I'm a motherfucking monster. I'ma need to see your fucking hands in the concert. I'ma need to see your fucking hands.
Came from Sri Lanka. Yeah, I'm in that tongue, color of Willy Wonka. You could be the king. Okay, first things first, I eat your curry. Then I'ma start brushing your teeth.
Troy used to live in Detroit. Big soap, stealing money, he was getting some points. Was the shootouts with the Laura, but he lived in a palace. Bought me Alexander McQueen, he was keeping me stylish. Now that's real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I can't just be killed.
Now, girls, can you help me by giving out some of the t-shirts to the livest audience member? Is it the right song? Let's go!
Fly with the stars in the sky. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me. I fire. I do what I desire. I am higher. And you can pull the shot. I am the umpire. I'm holy water. I'm on a